What is up, guys? Jamaica birthday here for another episode of reactions. Today, as you can see, we react to Dutchavelli, Cool With Me. My brethren sends me that one and say, yo, react. So I'm going to say, alright, react. I haven't heard it yet, but you know me have me lighter. Atana me have me water. Cool him down. So today, golden rule. Like before you watch, because you know what, it's gonna be a lot of energy. Cause this video has got lots of views online in the past 24 hours, nearly 1 million. So we're here and we are doing it. I think it's like one or a couple of days old. I think like 1 day old. But he sent it to me last and I said, yo, react. So I'm gonna say, alright, sir, I will react. Big up the new subs then that's here. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate the comment section. Very active. And I really appreciate you guys smashing the like button. Yeah, son? So I'm going to jump straight to this. Dutchavelli, Cool With Me featuring 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐈𝐂𝐀𝐍. I'm clear my throat. Water! That's better. Water. Yeah, my voice is back. Alright, let's go.
It's rich!
Ready? Let me just say, I've never listened to what one of these guys sang. Never listened to Dutchavelli song, but you don't know, Dutchavelli is a fellow Jamaican. In their England from him young. Steph London brother. You know, Steph London, the hot girl where every man wants a juke off. Don't teeth the laughter. Alright, ready? Let's go, Dutch.
Belly, wow. Blood on my brand new Fendi's, burn them. My brothers like Dutch, man, like that. We can wipe that off, get some detergent. Guess he had been nicked, ordered the sergeant and firearm, or no attempted murders. Facts, love God, he made me this person. Facts. Get caught on the gliders curtains. Facts. Get caught on the gliders peak. Yeah. I was S-roll bopping on up block, family, up player hide and seek. Out here, man, it's finders keepers. Run up on the plug, what I find I keep. In guns and money we trust, when shit gets dropped, my mind's at ease.
This is the UK drill. So it's a totally different pace, totally different bar. But what I'm saying a while ago still, I really love what I'm saying. I know, like I said, I need somebody to help me dissect these lyrics. I need somebody here with me, sitting down next to me, to help me dissect.
Bruh.
What did you say?
Dissect.
That is not correct.
Dissect these lyrics. Him just said something which is really true. Let me hear it again.
Up on the plug, what I find I keep. In guns and money we trust, when shit gets dropped, my mind's at ease. Came up.
In guns and money we trust.
What I find I keep. In guns and money we trust.
In guns and money we trust. So yo, listen, me can trust my money. Once me have my money, me don't need no friend. Once me have my money. Once me have my gun. Once me have my gun, me don't need no friend. Cause friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. E-N-D at the end spell end. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. Me don't need no friend. End, it must end one day, you know? No girl neither. Me not trust no girl neither. So the man say, yo, in the guns and money we trust. Bars. Golden rule. Like before you watch. You know that? Let's go. Water. Wait. That bar there. Like the bar there.
Shit gets dropped, my mind's at ease. Came up this side and chose that side, my nigga, that's fine by me.
You came up on this side below, but you chose that side there. That's fine by me. Do what you do. You do what you do and I hope it work out for you. But remember, say them guy there over there, so it's not your true friend. You understand? Yeah, you came up this side and you're gone over that side there. Go on, bye. Don't make the door really keep on your way out. Boom! Know yourself. Let's go.
My nigga, that's cool with me. But you and me, mama, the hood, that's stupid, don't let me act stupidly.
As a ghetto youth, you know, so when you make it in life, the first person to think about is mama. The first person to think about is mama. So you make it out of the hood, but mama still there. I walk, I go take bus, I go do our 9 to 5. When you there over there, so I live with your F-R-I-E-N-D them and your girl. We're gonna cheat on you tomorrow and lick your chip. Aye, in ball out. Why? Brother, Look after mama. Mama is number one. If it wasn't for mama, you wouldn't be here. That is what the G is saying. Talks. Fire. Water, water, water. No dribbling, no dribbling. Let's go.
Trust. You lucky they brother went school with me. If I lock that door with me. Trust. You lucky they brother went school with me. If I lock that door and slap this fool, you be singing like Julia Reed.
Man say lucky say.
But you ain't move mama out the hood, that's stupid, don't let me act stupidly. Trust. You lucky they brother went school with me. If I lock that door and slap this fool, you be singing like Julia Reed.
Man say if I knock your door and blocks in your bum, hey boy. Hey boy, you're lucky in a youth. You're lucky. Fire burn you.
Trust. You be singing like Jodeci. Black suits, black cubes. Fuck boy at the pastor preach. Fuck boy at the pastor preach. Somebody looking over me. Gotta look over my shoulder. Had a revolver squeeze. Bah.
I've got to look over my shoulder and hear the revolver squeeze. The revolver at the 38, the magnum. You see me? Yeah, the revolver at the spin barrel them. We Jamaica know about we gun them because we are... Yeah. It's not an automatic. You understand? It's not a 9mm. I hear the revolver. Remember, you know, when the revolver bust, you know, it leave no spank shell. It leave no spank shell. So that means, say, no evidence, no trace, no face. Bars, water. Me not trust on F-R-I-E-N-D. Matter of the day. E-N-D at the end. E-N-D at the end. That must end. Your friendship must end. Where?
I can see the blue lights in the distance. I think Feds heard the revolver squeeze.
Millions in now.
Somebody looking over me. Gotta look over my shoulder. Had a revolver squeeze. Bah.
I can see the blue lights in the distance. I think Feds heard the revolver squeeze. Don't commercialize beef. Go around there and won't even know it's me. Feds heard the revolver squeeze. Don't commercialize beef. Go around there and won't even know it's me.
Man say yo, if me and you have beef, me not commercialize it. If me and you in a things, me not commercializing it. Me just walk around there and squeeze. You don't even know it's me, youth. Like a thief in the night, sneaking around. Catch yo. If I'm beefing with you, this is what Millions saying. If I'm beefing with you, you're not gonna know I'm there. You're not. Sometimes you wouldn't even know because it's not commercialized. I'm not putting it up on no Twitter, no Facebook, no Instagram, no nothing, no Snapchat, no nothing, boy. There's a silent beef between me and you. And anytime I catch you, fire. Water. Let's go. Millions flow sick. I like him flow.
In the downtown function, still gotta do risk assessment. Commercialize beef, go around there and won't even know it's me. In the downtown function, still gotta do risk assessments and CRBs. I see the young G try grip the dots with one hand. Look at man, can't control this heat. Done a bit exchange and CRBs. I see the young G try grip the dots with one hand. Look at man, can't control this heat.
Left a bar there. Left a bar there. Because I don't want to make no mistake. So left a bar there alone. Leave the bar there. Listen to it again. If you don't catch it, leave it alone. Don't make no mistake. Your honest reaction with the people them want. Let's go.
Do risk assessments and CRBs. I see the young G try grip the dots with one hand. Look at man, can't control this heat. Done a bit.
So look at you can't control your heat. You grip it with one hand. So you know say it's a kick. Boom. Every time you knock it kick. So you can't control it because you grip it with one hand. That means you can leg a straight shot anyway. That is what I'm getting from it.
Bit exchange in residential zones. Now the dots with one hand, look at man, can't control this heat. Done a bit exchange in residential zones. Now the neighbours bath, these ain't council flats, these are mortgage homes. I mean, it's Oxford jail, I can't send in Jones.
So basically, you must say, you can't beat up the residential home. This is not like council flat and them thing where beer things go on and you know the estate where the man them out on the corner and a beer things are going and hustling on the side and you know the man say yo this is a nice area, this is a residential area. So you have to know where you do. So this bar here remind me of Stormzy pulling up to Chip house. Yes, I have to refer to that because Chip live in a residential area and Stormzy pull up. You know? So we don't know what did I go on, but it never go on. Luckily, it never go on. Let's just have it in the music only, guys. We don't want no war. We don't want no physicality, brother. We could keep it musical, brother. Go in the studio and write some song, me G. They say the dog. Too much youth are dead, man. Yeah, man, too much youth are dead,
And
man.
I won't even know it's me. In the downtown function, still gotta do risk assessments and CRBs. I see the young G try grip the dots with one hand. Look, I can't control this heat. Done a bit exchange in residential zones. Now the neighbours baff, these ain't council flats, these are mortgage homes. I mean, it's Oxford jail, I can't send in Jones. I put a
So these are mortgage homes, so that means that people buy them house around here. So them don't want no animosity, brother. I buy my house here, I don't need no animosity, brother. This is not a council estate, like I said before. So know yourself, know where you're gonna take your beef to. Because it's more than likely, if something happen in the council estate, on the estate, you will more likely to get away with it then. You stand a better chance of getting away with it. If you're there in the residential area and beat that, more than likely somebody gonna have CCTV on them property to protect them property from people like Uno, yeah, or somebody I go see what happen. I look through them window. Cause now a COVID time, enough people now work, enough people. I look through them window, them bored. Mind where you don't, know where you don't, know where you have your beef. I understand?
you on the V, some dressed up clothes. I can't stiff him at security, take this phone. No, I got a pattern these bank transfers to me and my section's home.
Got to pattern these bank transfers until
Security, take this phone. No, I got a pattern these bank transfers to me and my section's home.
I've got to pattern this bank transfer until me and my section is home. In section, this sound like is a prison term. In my refer to cause I have to pattern them bank transfers. So basically, I have to get my money in a jail with me, in a prison with me, for make man live good at jail. You understand? A prison. You understand? So we have to pattern it. We have to pattern it one way or the other until we out on the road and we can fend for ourselves again. Because you know, prison life is not a nice life. Prison life is not a nice life. We know that. You know? Water. Fire.
My closest friend is a demon. I don't say things because it sounds convenient. G just
Yo, that's deep. My closest friend is the demon. Right now I'm in a dark place. Like, so don't ramp with me, boy. I'm in a dark place. My closest friend are the demon, brother. Demon are my closest friend. Take off my glasses, I get hot. Yes, let's go.
To me and my section's home.
My closest friend is a demon. I don't say things because it sounds convenient. G just put that thing in a bag. I want back to the gully cleaning.
Hold on. Made about that again. 1 second.
Don't say things because it sounds convenient. G
Man, so my closest friend are the demon. I don't say things because it is convenient. So basically, I'm not just chatting. I'm not just guessing. Me a chat, brother. Me a talk. You understand? Me a talk because it is real, brother. Me a talk because it is real. And you have some people that say talk and no action behind it. Man say, yo, my closest friend, I'm a demon, so I'm in one dark place. I'm in a dark place. And I'm not just saying this because I want to say it. I'm saying it because I mean it, boy. Listen.
He just put that thing in a bag. I want back to the gully cleaning. Feel like I've been in like 1,000 times. That's a schoolboy error, I'm a genius. WD back to the friend is a demon. I don't say things because it sounds convenient. G just put that thing in a bag. I want back to the gully cleaning.
But basically, him put him thing in the bag. Him strap. Him go do the crime, put him strap in the bag. Take he said something about gully, but in a Jamaica, when time we talk about gully, like me said that you are Jamaican. So when we talk about something about gully is a thing where you run through your to a certain community in a Kingston, and you have the banks, the gully banks, where the man them do them crime and walk on the banks and go with them and go. You understand? So that is what I'm getting from the party. But obviously, him go in him bag, so him go carry it, go clean it. You understand? Because him just bust it, so him have to go clean it up.
Don't say things because it sounds convenient. G just put that thing in a bag. I want back to the gully cleaning. Feel like I've been in like 1,000 times. That's
it could also mean him clean it means him fire it. Him fire it. So yo, me a clean steel. Me a clean steel. You understand? Yeah, me a clean steel right now. Me a clean steel right now. It could also mean that. You understand? Like I said, I need somebody to help me dissect these lyrics. If you don't like the video yet, do not like it. Do not like it. That is the golden rule. Like before you watch. You should know this. Come on.
schoolboy error, I'm a genius. WD-40, get rid of that rust. Now I'm in the back gun leading. That's a schoolboy error, I'm a genius. WD-40, get rid of that rust.
WD-40 go get rid of the rust, dog. WD-40 go get rid of the rust. You know here. WD-40. Where WD-40 there? Where WD-40 there? WD-40, I go get... See WD-40, yeah? I go get rid of the rust. So anything rusty, this can pull it. Anything rusty, it spray it on it. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Big up WD-40.
Now I'm in the back, gun leaning. Trust. And I'm in the back just leaning. It was all robbery, money and fiend. Now I'm getting money or streaming. Trust.
Back in the days, it was robbery. It was a lot of robbery. It was hustling. It was street life. Now I'm getting money off streaming because I'm so popular. You guys are just embracing my talent and embracing what I'm here with. So thank you guys. That's what I must say, not me. That is what he's saying. And if he never did at this moment, he would not be the most talked about artist right now in the UK. That's not on any beef thing. So you have to give him props. Dutch, you're shot, brother. You're shot. Big up the UK artist then, but Dutch, you're shot right now. Let's go.
Back in Kez, even though fans tell me they love me in Sweden. And them man know we're streaming. Trust. Straight out of back in Kez, even though fans tell me they love me in Sweden. And them man know we're beefing. But I can't tell mommy the reason.
Mommy, your mother can send certain things wagwan with you. Your mother will send certain things, but she cannot prove it. But mommy, I never want to worry you. If mommy call me and say, yo, you're good, I say, yeah man, I'm good man. Even when time I'm not good, I'm good. Because I don't want to worry my queen, my mother. I don't want to worry her. You understand? I don't want to worry her because I'm a queen, she am a rock. So even though she know deep down in her place, say, mommy, your son up to badness outside. Me can't tell you that. Me can't tell you that. Me can't tell you that, mommy. I'm sorry. You have to just find out that one there from Miss Barbara down the road, which is your friend. We love chat people. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, you have a friend who love chat people. Mommy. Yeah. Couple church sister, we love chat people. Me no wicked. Let's go.
Surely, go violate me in the street. Somebody go dab at the end of the evening.
Bars! Yo, don't violate me in the streets. I got dead by this evening. If you violate me in the street, you got dead by this evening, dog. Me nah wait till 24 hours, brother. Me nah wait till 24 hours. I'm not doing it. No, you got dead this evening. Before 12 a.m., you got dead. Violate, that is what he's saying, not me. Don't violate the man on the street. The man I tell you, let's go.
Somebody's feeling facts. Blood trying to put at that price. Burn that bridge, you don't need him. Trust. Rap don't work, it's back to dealing, yeah?
Cheat. If rap don't work, it's back to the dealing. Kids stay in school. Fire! Kids stay in school. If rap don't work, it's back to the dealing. 9 to 5 is not for me. Me can't work in a 𝐑𝐀𝐏𝐏𝐄𝐑𝐿. Stack Shed. Me can't work in a Tesco. Me can't work in a Sainsbury's. Me can't work nowhere else. The street life. Or the stream life. That's the only life I know. Street life. That's the only life I know.
I am in pain. I am in severe pain.
I have the X Factor. I can sing. Lighter. Water.
Okay.
Let's go.
If rap don't work, it's calm. It's back to what man know best. Seen cats marching for the town, holding magazines that they're having a protest. My probation pissed with me, car got back again, I ain't making progress.
We got the man that knows say yo them probation is very strict with them too. Cause you have some youth out there where promise them probation say yo listen, I just need a good address so I can come out and get a 9 to 5. And them reach back on the block, them know say them and the thugs them gone. Even if I'm on tag, I have to go in 7:30 or 8 o'clock, me still a par with the thug them throughout the day. You see me? Get a Uber and gone back on my yard. One time 7:30 forward. Just to reach in just before 8 o'clock. Big up the probation officer them was strict with the youth them too, you know. Big up on yourself.
Driving in the next man's name, hold on, don't take me station, need to pass this road test.
Yo, me drive with a fake license. Pull up bar there.
Marching for the town, holding magazines that they're having a protest. My probation pissed with me, car got back again, I ain't making progress. Driving in the next man's name, hold on, don't take me station, need to pass this road test.
So him from the probation bar, him say basically him a driving as somebody else's name. So that means him don't have him license. But officer, please just bear with me for a second. Me need to pass the road test. Just give me the road test when I pass it. But I'm not driving in my name. Know yourself, officer. You can't catch me today. Zoom! Fast car.
This lean ain't no antidepressant. Feel later than a kid on Christmas Eve. Ain't got no OGs, don't need their G-Pass to permit this beef. I heard them man said I wanna walk. Ain't got no OGs, don't need their G-Pass to permit this beef.
Man, I say, yo, me not have no boss. Me not have no OG. Me not have no OG where I got stamp okay on the beef. If I beef. We not answer to nobody. So OG, respect you know, big up on yourself, but I'm my own boss. I don't need approval from Uno to approve my beef. Me go beef by myself. What you want, bully beef? Eh? What you want? Bully beef? Let's go. Me don't need no OG if you stamp it off. Let's go, let's do it. That the man I say. Millions, big up yourself. Your flow bad to that. Like your flow.
I heard them man said I wanna walk me, but them use got insufficient peas. There's no blood on this tape.
A rich badness. The badness is rich. If you want to war me, you have to have peas. Because my firepowers cost peas. My strap them cost peas. So you have to war me with money. If you don't have no money, you're not going to have no firepower for war me. You're going to get left in the dust. 6'6", dust to dust, ashes to ashes. And then you're going to put to your girl crutches. Water. Alright, let's go.
Still got a burner rinse in bleach.
Blood on my brand new Fendi's, burn them. My brothers like Dutchman lad.
Blood for my brand new Fendi them. No matter them just new, them we just buy them. I just see you, I'm damage your face, bust up your head, blood them on it, that are evidence. I go burn that. That are material things. Me not need that. Even though me pay how much £100 feet, me still I go burn it because that's evidence against you. Man, I said not chase, no case. No case, no face. Black in our waist. Put it like, let's go.
That we can wipe the off, get some detergent. Guess he had been nicked for the starting a firearm or no attempted murders. Love God, he made me this person. Get caught on the cloud is
Yo, bad song. Me enjoy the song there. There. Bad track. Lighter. Water. Yo. You remember the golden rule? If you never like before you watch, do not bother liking. Too late. I'm sorry, it's too late. Big up all of the UK rapper them. The OGs them. You see me? The young artists them. Big up on yourself, daddy. Big up on yourself. My brother, thanks as well for that video where you send me and say react. You know I'm gonna react. Once you say react, dog, I have to react because you don't know. You know the thing, brother. You in the streets like that. I know about the UK grime scene. You understand? Big up on yourself. Guys, fire. I'll see you guys in the next episode. At what time? Use the line there. Now use it again.
Got it!
Look more. Peace!